Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you'd like to change your name in the state of Florida, I've got you covered. Today we're going to dive into what you need and how you need to go about it. So, let's jump in. Now, it's important to know that the information provided in this video is for information purposes only and should not be considered legal advice. I'm not a legal representative or an attorney. For specific legal concerns or questions, please consult a qualified legal professional. Right? Let's get into this video. The first step is to determine the reason for your name change. Common reasons may include marriage, divorce, or just personal preference. The next step involves completing the necessary forms. In Florida, the main form you'll need is the petition for change of name. This can be the form 12.980A. You can find this form in the Florida State Court's website or at your local courthouse. Here's what to include. First of all, you'll need your current name, your proposed name, and then, of course, as I mentioned before, your reason for a name change. The next step involves filing a petition. So once you've completed the forms, you'll need to file a petition at your local circuit court. Here's what to keep in mind. There are two things. First of all, there may be a filing fee. This varies by county, that if you cannot afford this fee, you may apply for a fee waiver. The second thing is you need to make sure that you're filing in the county where you reside. After filing your petition, you'll receive a court date for your hearing. It's important to attend this hearing as a judge will review your petition. Here's a few things to expect. Be prepared to explain the reasons for your name change. The judge may ask questions to ensure that your change is not for any fraudulent activities. In some cases, particularly for minors or a gender change, you may need to bring witnesses to support your petition. If the judge approves your petition, you'll receive a court order granting your name change. Congratulations, you've made it this far. But you need to now keep this document safe, as you'll need it for the following steps. Now that you have your court order, it's time to update your identification, your records, and this is what you need to know. Start by updating your name with the Social Security Administration. Fill out the Form SS5 and provide a copy of your court order. Next, update your name on your driver's license or even your ID card. Bring your court order to the DHSMV office to proceed. Notify your bank, your credit card companies, and any other financial institutions of your name change. Also, don't forget to update your name on other important documents such as insurance policies, medical records, and even your passport. Now, if you found this guide helpful, drop us a like to show your support, and we'll see you next time.